I remember me and this plane. I'm 7 now, and remember this? I was at this in my first video of plane. People are not allowed to hold the baby because what if someone drops the baby? That won't be good. So yeah.